Life is full of ups and downs, and we never know what the future holds. But by preparing ourselves for challenges, we can better handle them when they come our way. Here are some tips and strategies to help you prepare for whatever life throws your way. Nurture a growth mindset. One of the most important things you can do to prepare for challenges is to nurture a growth mindset. This means believing that your abilities can be developed through hard work and dedication. When you have a growth mindset, you are more likely to see challenges as opportunities for growth, rather than as obstacles to overcome. Build adaptability. Adaptability is the ability to bounce back from adversity. To build adaptability, it's important to practice self-care, build strong relationships, and cultivate a positive attitude. When you have a strong support system and a positive outlook, you are better able to weather life's storms. Learn new skills. One of the best ways to prepare for challenges is to learn new skills. By developing new skills, you increase your ability to adapt to new situations and handle unexpected challenges. Whether it's learning a new language, taking up a new hobby, or mastering a new technology, there are countless ways to expand your skill set. Take care of your health. When you are facing a challenge, your physical and mental health are more important than ever. Make sure to prioritize exercise, healthy eating, and getting enough rest. Don't be afraid to seek help if you're struggling with your mental health. Taking care of yourself is key to being able to handle life's challenges. Plan for the future. While we can't predict the future, we can prepare for it. Make sure to have a financial plan in place, with an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Think about your long-term goals and create a plan to achieve them. Having a clear sense of direction can help you navigate through challenges with more confidence. Embrace failure. Failure is a natural part of growth and learning. Don't be afraid to take risks and try new things, even if you're not sure you'll succeed. Embracing failure and learning from your mistakes can help you become more resilient and better equipped to handle challenges. Focus on the present moment. While it's important to plan for the future, it's also important to focus on the present moment. Dwelling on past mistakes or worrying about the future can prevent you from fully engaging in the present. By focusing on the present moment, you can better handle the challenges that come your way and find joy and meaning in the everyday moments of life. If you enjoyed watching this video, please share it with others. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.